Okay, let's go right back here. So on my timeline, we're back to where we were to start with. Of course, the system is running slow because we're on a video. So newsfeed was what we just talked about. Okay, so there's a few little buttons here. Okay, profile, we talked about it in a different video. So you can see that video if you want to see it. All groups, we talked about that. One of the things I wanted to be able to do when we designed the site was to show you all of the groups that were there. Okay, so you can see in your premium timeline over here, you can see all groups. So you can go over there and say, you know, I really want to be a part of that group, or I don't. You can view it. But then if you do, you join that group, and then there's my groups, and that's here as well. So let's say you saw the groups, you like them, you just said, oh, I'm not going to get in this one or two groups. Then you select those, and now that'll show up under the tab, either here or on the left-hand side in the navigation tabs of my groups. Of course, then you can log out here as well. So that's what these little buttons are. Okay, so this is traditionally the search, and that's what it is on the site. If you want to see something, try to search it. We've tried to set everything up to be search friendly, but again, these is member content, or people who have become a part of Home Inspector Huddle, Home Inspectors. They may or may not be a part of Home Inspector Help, but we can't always control the way the search is done. So try to search for anything. If you don't find it, ask in the news feed. Or ask in one of the groups. These are messages. When somebody sends you a message, you're going to be able to get all your messages right here. So that's a good thing. Here are notifications. Notifications can be whatever. Somebody's sending you something. Beth posted an update, thought this was cute. Brandon started following me. So those would be notifications. When you're finished, you can mark read. Okay. You can view all notifications that you've received, that kind of thing. All right, so this down arrow is basically what you see all the time on any other site. It's just a compilation of all of the navigation tabs in one simple, easy place. And if you want to log out of the site, you can log out. I wouldn't log out of the site if it was me. And the reason why I said when you connect the shortcuts on your cellular phone and on your tablet and on your desktop, if you log out, you're going to have to log back in. So the shortcut is really not an app, it's a shortcut. So if you stay logged in, you're logged in all the time on your phone. And if you stay logged in, you're logged in on all of your other electronics. But if you log out, you got to enter your username and password again. And that's not a big deal. But when you're in the truck or you're wanting to make a post while you're out on a job site from your cellular phone, then that's easier if you just stay logged in. So it's just kind of my 2 cents on that.